Hey guys! Welcome to Drag Race Philippines Season 3 Recap.
Episode 8.
Yes! Oh bro, kamusta ka pala?
Ayos naman bro, nag-chill lang bro sa crib natin.
Si crib na mga.
Kakairita.
MTV Crib?
Push na ako.
Sorry, joke lang.
Push na.
It has been a week. What?
Alright.
Huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's read some comments from our previous episode.
I'm gonna read the comment from Chris-NN1CQ. Sabi niya, kala mo naman din talaga legit makakomment din sa looks ng girls. So again guys, like we've been saying sa past few episodes that we are just like drag enjoyers. So we're not drag experts. So don't take everything that we say seriously. Take it with a grain of salt. So
Yeah, wala po kaming authority to actually give like expert opinion on drag. But we just have opinions as viewers of a drag show na super fans ng art form, right?
Yes.
If you don't agree with us, that's actually fine. And with your comments then, we also don't have to agree with it. Pero yun yung maganda, di ba? Nakakakita tayo ng different perspectives sa mga manonood natin.
Yeah, sabi nga ng Bully Brothers, like you mentioned earlier, na drag is art is subjective. So we have different opinions talaga sa certain comments.
Different opinions and different appreciations. Yep.
Pero I just like to apologize then if I may have said some things in the past episode. So, ayun guys, sorry kung hindi nyo nagustuhan how the way we worded it or like how we said it. So, yun. Hindi naman intention na i-put down yung win ng other queen or like ni Maxi. Meron na kami talagang strong opinions about that. Ano nga sabi ni Gia God, di ba? Parang, I guess there's room for everybody. Let's just say that.
And for this particular instance, yeah, talaga may room lahat for all of your opinions. Unless they're hateful, yun yung hindi pwede. This is from, hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce yung Jouse kung Jose ba, but Hossein na lang ang tatawag ko. Hossein Kiefer 4271, John Fidel Yaga's runway look was fire. She would ate the stage and no one had a chance to devour it. Ayun, totoo. Nakita ko yung photos nga ni John for this makeover episode kung nagstay pa sana siya. Parang she posted it online, di ba? Ang ganda. So yeah, I agree with this comment. Sayang si Mama John. We miss her so much.
Yeah. I-flash lang naman dito yung look ni Mama John
Yep.
for someone na hindi din nakakita.
Mama John, we love you.
We love you, Mama John. Last comment that I'll be reading is coming from a Chinese character. I don't know how to read this. Maxi deserved the win. Zimba's feather outfit doesn't scream hero to me. Kinda understand that the judging, especially with Raho there, they want a more obvious hero transformation. And Maxi really did a good job. Maxi was in our top 3 last episode. So we agree naman na she deserved the top placement. Pero ako lang personally, ulit, I just prefer Simba's look.
I agree. Maxi did well, but Zimba for me really took that one.
So this is gonna be a lip sync smackdown episode. I'm excited kasi this will be the first one in the Drag Race Philippines franchise.
I know, right? Lollapalooza. Ako, every time na meron ganitong klaseng challenge sa Drag Race, kahit anong franchise man yan, sobrang nag-enjoy ako panoorin kasi ito yung pinaka-base ng on what a drag queen is pagdating sa performances, lip-syncing, dancing, performing. So yeah, can't wait to watch the episode.
Yeah. May ano lang, sana lang hindi puro RuPaul songs yung ialagay nila. Like, sana parang original Filipino music na makaka-relate yung fans talaga.
Yes, I was about to say, sinabi ko rin yan last time sa lip-sync na huwag mong i-manifest sa RuPaul song and then it was a RuPaul song. Sana be hindi. Anyway, let's watch it!
Yeah, excited. So let's go guys!
Let's do it!
Everyone has a win. Tita Baby na lang yung wala, no?
Opo.
No, I didn't need all the props. I gave them raw talent.
She's right, pero the way she said that,
Yeah,
parang medyo shady. Parang the past 2 episodes, medyo lumalabas yung
other side.
is in her villain era.
Kasi wala na si ano.
Wala na si Versex, wala na si J. Quinn.
Sino pa ba? Si Kiana na yung new villain, do you think?
Alam mo, nakakatuwa kasi yung transformation ng character niya or yung development ng character niya. She started as this parang bullied queen from the province na pinapaiyak nung Manila girls. And now, na nawala na yung mga bullies niya, she has become a villain.
Yeah. I'm sure may nawa-watch ka naman na parang mga live videos with the queens, like yung mga Instagram live nila na parang sinasabi doon na part lang yun ng edit and si Kiana kumahagat din daw talaga siya. So, sa episode 1, siguro hindi pinakita doon yung banter nila na kumahagat din talaga si Kiana.
Maybe, no? Kasi iba rin kasi talaga yung response or yung reaction nila J. Quinn and nila Versex sa kanya. Kaya parang we were saying, parang may sinabi ba siyang something na offensive or medyo off? Parang why are they reacting this way? So, it's probably true.
Aning narinig ko kanina doon sa stage. Lalaparo sa Hema yun. Hey! Ano ba yun? Narinig ko din kasi parang lalaparo. Akala ko lang taka ko atin. Ay, putang ina.
So I have a question for you. Who's your favorite lip syncer?
Ako, hindi ko alam kung may bias ba ako dahil Filipino din siya. Pero si Marina Summers. In particular, ang feeling ko top 3 yung lip syncs niya dun sa Call Me Mother against Silhouette nung Drag Race finale. Eh, parang sobrang galing. Parang napawaw talaga ako.
Body like wow.
Body like wow. Parang
Sabay
bagsak. Sa mga pagganyan-ganyan sa floor. Tapos, yung Release Me lip sync niya against Hana. Tangina Hana Beshi. Anaconda. Sobrang napawaw ulit ako nun, especially with the reveal. And sobrang nag-match dun sa kanta na Release Me. Like parang hindi ko alam na kaya mo palang i-interpret it that way na parang release me from something. And now, look at her literally releasing herself from the layers of whatever. Go.
Siguro in terms of like international, I would give it to Anitra talaga.
Oh, yes.
For me, like, siya talaga. Also, Sasha Colby, like, ayun.
I mean,
And then, in terms of Filipino, I agree, Marina talaga eh. Like, she embodies the song talaga. Like, it's not all about the stunts. Meron siya emotions and you can feel talaga na ino-own niya yung songs niya.
yeah, I agree.
Talaga sabi ng package mo hindi ko nagbayad.
Oh!
So may sponsor sila.
Si Briggs.
Si Briggs actually.
Hindi ako nagbayad.
Grabe lang mga siya pero sa hotel kagabi namin naman niya.
What do you mean by that? Beginning is my mother. And so, anong pake mo kung di ako nagbayad ng mga costumes ko, girl?
So, nung sa table, I brought it up again. Bigla siyang nag-snap sa akin. Nagulat ako. I was really thrown off.
Why do you care about that?
Because you said na hindi namin ma-afford yung...
Girl, this is not a costume for Drag Race. This is an outfit for...
Are you calling me poor? Sabi niya.
Taking it personally, we're throwing banter around. Kung sinagot namin yung banter.
Why do you need to say that I don't pay for my costumes, babe?
Then why did you have to say
Oh my God,
we
naging
can't
seryoso
afford
sila.
it?
Parang over that.
Diba?
I'm just saying, you don't have to be peacock.
Okay, why do you need to say na hindi ako nagbayad ng costumes ko?
Wala siyang pakialam doon.
Alam mo, hindi ako convinced sa totoo tong away na to. Para lang may drama.
Stage stuff.
Oo, they're just playing it up. Yung kunyari, I'm fighting with you and all that shit.
Para may drama lang talaga.
Exactly.
I'm not buying it.
Exactly. I'm just like, if you're gonna ban
Girl,
her,
beginning is not part of this, so why bring her here?
Ooh.
I can't afford one costume and what? Afford one.
Okay, maybe iniisip niya baka classist itong si Mix.
Kasi,
Sinasabi niyang, okay, hindi mo binayaran yung costume mo, so are you calling me poor? And if I'm poor, so what?
okay.
Why is this a discussion? Pero again, baka nga mamaya, they're just joking. And again, hindi naman na pinag-aawain to.
active na lang tayo. Kung konti na lang tayo, dapat pa mag-away-away pa tayo. Siyempre,
Yes,
wala,
give us
walang
drama.
Wala.
Alam mo, Kiana, i-fulfill mo yung from bida to kontrabida journey mo.
Meron na ba nangyaring ganun before sa ibang franchise?
Parang wala pa akong naaalala.
Yung ganung edit no, you started as a hero and then you ended up as a villain.
Oo. Ang ganda sana nun, there's gonna be something new for the franchise if ipupush nila yung ganung narrative.
Kasi usually, di ba, parang start ka as villain tapos you end up a hero.
May humanize ka, magkakaroon ka ng vulnerability
Oo.
But this one, like parang
That's a good storyline sana, no?
oo. Alam mo kung paninindigan nila, kaya nila sa edit yan eh. Kasi ang shady ni Kiana sa confessionals.
Actually.
So let's see kung mapapaninindigan.
Pokpok palayok. Nakalaro ka ba ng pokpok palayok before? Sa mga birthday parties?
Nakatawa ko, kala pokpok pala akong po.
Ay, hindi ba? Not confirmed.
Sasabihin na naman ng mga other, foreign reactors. Ito na naman yung mga backyard games.
Backyard
Backyard
games.
challenge.
Backyard games yung tawag nila.
Make Chanel. Ayan, diretso. Sige, diretso. Diretso.
Hey. Oh.
Zimbading.
Bading ding ding. Pupunta sa crew. Huh? 25 seconds lang yun?
Eh, ba? Eh.
Lakas sa pagkapalo niya. Hampas!
Huwag na yan. Nakatatlong badge na yan. Happy na yan.
Oo.
Itong ganap ni Kiana, magpapalayo kayo pero nagganyan ka.
Diba
Ano
yung
yan?
sobrang taas ng heels?
Alam mo, doing the most talaga. Totoo nga, sabi niya.
Lever 6, no? She's doing the most.
One of you is truly a smash hit. And that is... Make Chanel.
Eh,
It could be a sign na kailangan niya manalo for mini challenge para at least pero siya may panalo bago siya umuwi.
eh?
Hello?
20,000.
The edit is shady.
These girls are getting brave. Diba?
See some. This week is special because we'll be having a lip sync Lana Parusa's SmackDown.
I have a question for you. If may lip sync song ka na you can perform into, what do you think yung song na kaya mo i-perform?
Magiging park and bark queen ako.
Mhm.
So, always the ballads. Because I can't dance. So, wala akong rhythm.
Mhm.
So, feel ko kaya kong i-give yung face and mouth acting. Kasi magaling din yung bibig ko. Kaya gusto ko yung yung Run to You ni Whitney Houston. Isa sa mga pinaka-paborito kong performances ni Maxi
Mm-mm.
sa O-Bar stage. Pakita ko dito na lang yung kung paano niya nilip-sync yung Run to You ni Whitney Houston. It was so good.
Feeling ko kaya ko yung Good Luck Babe by Chappelle.
Eh, okay. Bagong-bagong kanta.
Oo.
Yeah. Paano?
Hindi ko
Tingnan
kaya,
niya.
tas biglang ka nagta Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club!
Vincent! Okay, yeah. Alright, so before natin i-watch ang show, kailangan mo nating sunduin si Dayang sa gym.
Yes, nag-gym kasi siya.
No? Tara. Tayo tayo.
Sige, sige.
Ano natin siya? Sunduin na po namin siya. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nasa ng sabaw!
Thank you for coming ulit tonight.
Yes,
Mhm.
I always come.
Ano yung,
Serious.
like, inspiration mo for your look tonight?
Very Shakira siya.
Hello. Naka-learn niya ng Global All-Stars.
So, ikaw pala, what's your go-to lip-sync song?
Depende. Kung dance, sa K-pop girly, The Boys by Girls' Generation. But bring the boys out. Ganon. See, I can feel like I can dance.
Wow!
Or Cuff It ni Beyonce.
Cough it.
Oh, love that song.
Tapos kung ballad, It's All Coming Back to Me Now.
Ooh, that's a
Hey.
good
Yun yung
song.
naging debut performance ko sa Butterfly.
Mhm.
Ang haba,
Di ba
7
magkakaroon ka
minutes.
ng performance this
Yes, November 2, guys! For Halloween, abangan niyo ang aking popular. Clue na yun sa performance ko.
So mag-ano ka? Wicked song?
Secret.
Okay.
Meron ba kayong poster?
Na-post na po namin yung poster.
So
So,
we'll
ilagay na-
share here.
Sama po namin sina Mimi Dada, Malicious Malaysia, si Mama Jolen, saka si Marga Faye.
Okay, yeah.
Oo. See you sa November 2, guys.
So, punta tayo doon, guys.
Yes.
Supportan natin si Hans.
November 2, yun yung Halloween show nila.
Halloween show namin. It's my
Okay.
third public performance. So,
Can't wait.
yes. So, let's start na.
This challenge is a dance-off through a series of lip syncs, tournament style.
Puro RuPaul
The last two
songs.
queens
Sorry.
standing will have
Ay, Mamaru, oh.
the first queen to lip sync.
Please. No RuPaul songs, please.
Pati yung ball. Tita baby, ikaw ang unang
Ang
sasabak.
ating mouth.
Sino ang pipiliin mong makalaban?
Ang pipiliin kong makalaban ay si Mix Chanel.
Ayan!
If the roles were reversed, I would have picked her also.
No.
Big Chanel. What
So,
can
feeling
you
nila
say
sila
about
yung
that?
Nasa
weakest?
bottom of the barrel.
Let's put on a fucking show.
What will you choose as your lip sync song?
Adrenaline.
Oh.
Oy, naku, lagot ka, Tita Babe. Kiss!
The time has come for you to lip sync for the win!
Aerobics?
Zumba.
Hey! Hey!
Yung makikita niyo sa butterfly.
Sumali!
Hey!
Matunogin. Chara! Chara!
Do you think it's
Ganda
gonna win?
utang ino.
I think,
Tita baby.
Tita Baby to, be.
The baby?
Pero for me, just by a bit.
The baby ka din? Yeah. Yun nga eh. Ang likod talaga ni Mix. Parang, first ano pa lang, give na give siya eh. Si Tita Baby may peaks and valleys.
Kasi we're looking at our other lip sync assassins like Marina and Turing and Bernie.
Mhm.
Diba? Like,
They take their
although
time.
they dance a lot, they take their time with their mouths as well. Saka may levels.
Mm-mm.
Yun lang naman.
Love that.
I've made my decision. Tita baby, Shante is dead.
Hey!
Ayan, sige, try pa more. She tried and she won.
Mhm.
Congratulations.
Nakakatuwa naman si Tita Baby. Talagang tuwan-tuwa siya. May prize. So talaga silang winners talaga for the night.
Oo.
Ano yan? Tears of joy.
Mhm.
What may,
Congrats,
what
Tita
may
Baby.
itlog?
May itlog nga.
So yung itlog.
Ito. Ah,
Tingin nga.
ayun no.
Ay.
May paandar na naman sila. Diyos ko
What?
na lang, Grace. Ano
Ano yung itlog?
yung sinusubo ka ba? Ano
Hindi mo
yan?
kaya mo.
Kaya ko muna ulo ng itlog. So, Gusto niyo ma-test, guys?
How about, paano kung 4? Sabay-sabay.
Lip sync din, B. Kaya
Stand
mo yan.
before me.
Char.
Good luck. Dapat pag-kwak-kwak.
Eh?
Parang K-pop song, no? What?
Ugago.
Oh!
Ano yun?
It's so nice. Reveal?
Wala parang ang messy.
Oo, messy lang.
Oh, bitch. Saka mas vibe niya yung kanta. Kasi boss bitch siya.
Be, Angel to.
Galing, oh.
Eh,
Bagay sa kanya yung kanta.
oo, parang sa ngayon kumakanta, kaboses niya, parang gano'n. So, ano guys, kayo ba? Who do you think is gonna win the
Angel.
lip sync?
Angel to, be.
Yeah.
Angel
So, unanimous, Angel.
Angel Gala.
Ikaw,
Angel as
Angel
well.
din.
I mean, like, parang siya yung kumakanta eh. Na-feel mo yung energy ng song sa kanya eh. Kiana did the stunts,
Mhm.
pero Angel is embodying the song.
Feeling ko rin favorite number niya 8 because she ate that.
Yeah.
Lumili niya si Bakla.
Confessional ready na ako.
Angel. Shante is
Eh,
dead. Bakit?
Ay, parang bad trip siya.
You have one more chance to prove yourself later. But for now, please go to the back of the stage with me.
kaya may additional input lang ako dito. I mean, observation.
Mhm.
Parang recently, feeling ko nauuga na yung confidence itong si Kiana.
Ni
Dahil
Kiana.
lagi siyang safe and then na bottom.
Yeah.
Tapos, nag-appear din dito yun sa sa lip sync. Hindi siya
Mhm.
ganun ka-confident.
Oo.
There's, parang there's something.
So,
with
do we
her
think na nauubusan na siya ng gas?
feeling ko.
Two queens stand
Ano na yung
before
wig?
me.
So yung wig.
This is your chance to impress me. And save yourself from elimination! Magagawa.
Ay, ang aga.
Muna yung exchange.
Yes.
Ayun na.
Ay!
Ang cute niya.
Ayun na.
Siya ninanalo actually.
Oo, be. Wala pang stunts yan, ha?
Oo.
Hey!
Ang tibay ng wig niya, be.
Zimba, get off the floor! Shook na itsura ni Zimba. Tingnan mo, throw off the performance.
Parang takot siya, be.
Parang nanginginig yung mga laman niya.
Oo.
Habang nag-perform.
Tsaka parang masyado niyang binilisan yung pag-reveal ng mga
Ang
outfits.
aga, be.
Nasa 100 siya agad. There's
Yes.
nowhere to go from there kapag nagganyan ka, be. Tapos, dapat you took your time, nagkaroon ka ng peaks and valleys and shit, right?
Halatang uga siya nung alam niya si Maxi yung mga kalaban niya.
Pero magaling siya. Dapat alam niya magaling din siya. So dapat, di ba?
Own it.
Yep.
Diba?
Oo, magaling siya. Kaya naman niya.
Ang gusto ko sa ginawa ni Maxi,
I think ito yung kailangan matutunan ng mga baby queens.
Yes,
Hindi
I
na
agree.
nag-dance stance lahat.
Yeah.
Kailangan damahin mo yung kanta. Yun yung ginawa ni Max.
Yan. At saka dapat may strategy ka pata.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Yep.
Napapansin ko kay Zimba. Oo.
Masyado siyang gigil eh.
Nakikita mo siya na nai-intimidate siya doon sa nangyayari.
We are now at the end of our lip sync
No.
on the SmackDown. For the last song, the two of you will lip sync for your life. You heard me right. Just two. Because a special challenge needs a special twist.
Tangina. Uga. Part 2, the remix.
This week, the winners of the Lollapalooza hold the power of the golden balloon.
Balot nga.
Oh, God. Pag na eksena, taka naman na. 2 MB lang yung gay.
Same B.
It grants you the ability to save one of the bottom
Parang
three.
Golden Beaver sa Canada.
Ang pinili namin to stay ay si...
Kiana.
with a K.
You guys are being stupid.
Siguro naawa kasi
Alright, Kiana, siya
dahil
plays
dun sa C-Mix nga may podcast, tapos si Kiana bata.
Kahit kay siya ni Zimba.
It's your last chance to impress me and save yourself from elimination. Good luck, quiz, at dapat pangkamaayop!
Kilig song.
This will be Mix Don't Do Any Stunts Challenge. Let's see if he's gonna feel the song. Si Zimba.
Baka magbago pa ang isip ko.
Binaba yung pagiging candy performance ng 21st.
Kasi very polished. Ito siya natin. Parang kinikilig sa crush mo. Parang sino yung kanta? Ganun binibigay ni Zimba.
So, kayo guys, who do you think is gonna
Zimba.
This is Zimba's win.
Oo, kasi na-embody niya yung song na parang babae kinikilig sa crush niya.
Yep.
Kung gulong-gulong sa kama, kinikilig, napakyut, gano'n.
Simbali. Shante, you stay. Thank you. You wait for the other. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Thank the judges, bitch.
Yun ang inaabang ako eh.
Thank you, Lord.
Be.
Chanel?
Our multimedia drag supernova.
I am now one of the industry's top bitches, and I don't think any of these girls can say that during their rise to the top, they have uplifted the local community.
What?
What?
Shady nun.
Wala kami ginagawa para sa sarili namin to. Hindi ka na mag-isa, be. Marami tayo, be.
Kung ako sila sa bahay, ang hiya ako while watching.
Be?
Pero inaamin naman nila, like Vincent during watching, di ba?
Mhm.
Sa mga watch party, nag-cringe sila sa mga sinasabi nila on TV.
Notes for the production, I guess. Like,
Mhm.
parang ako lang naman. I could be wrong. Feeling ko hindi maganda na 6 lang yung natira para mag-compete sa isang Lollapalooza.
For me, dapat at least 8.
At least 8. Kasi parang masyadong onti.
Mm.
Tapos tingnan mo, ang sobrang haba ng first part ng episode.
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan nilang i-fail yung runtime.
Mm-mm.
Kasi maiksi lang yung mismo siya.
Kaya need mag-away ni Zimba.
Diba? One more thing pala, yung sa yung Golden Balut. Parang hindi siya magandang gimmick dito
Ako,
sa...
naisip ko sana sa buong season siya in-implement.
Mm.
Para mas may, alam mo yun, mas may gigil na parang manalo. At
Maybe
Para-
it's the next season.
Sana kasi sa Canada's Drag Race, parang yung additional element na yun work.
kaya naging isa sa parang favorite seasons
It gave drama.
over
Yeah.
all franchises ang season 4.
Mhm.
Bukod kay Mother Melinda, syempre. We love you.
Anong sinabi niya doon?
Yung table flip niya.
I'm
Iconic.
gonna reciprocate it with gratitude. Mga ganun.
Ganun, no?
So, sana mas ayusin nila yung mechanics.
Saka, di ba parang, they showed the Golden Balut from afar like 4 times.
Mhm.
Parang, nakita na namin.
Yeah.
Saka informing sana, in-implement na lang sa buong season.
Mm-mm.
Kasi imagine the gaggery of that.
Mhm. Para makapagbalik ka na dun sa workout mo, tulungan mo kami sa pag-rank.
Yes. So, top 2 lang talaga meron ako ngayon.
Mm.
For me, pantay-pantay yung tatlo.
Okay.
Si Zimba, Tita Baby Angel. Lahat sila may pros and cons. Parang for me, maging decision yung next episode kung sino yung dalawa pa for top 4.
Mm.
Mhm.
Okay.
Kasi si Maxi and Kiana, sure. Sure na sila.
Lock na.
Lock
Locked
in na.
in.
Yung dalawang spot na lang sa tatlo. Ayan. So, for me, pantay yung tatlo. Second si Kiana, first si Maxi.
Okay. Alright. Okay, thank you. Dayang, tara, ihatid na natin to sa gym
Gym.
niya. 1, 2, 3. Go B.
For me, my ranking will be Zimba, 5th place. And then I have a fearless forecast that Tita Baby would win the next challenge. And then Kiana, my 3rd place, coming from like ilang spots siya lagi number 1.
Yeah.
Kasi she's been in the bottom this past few episodes. And then Angel, my 2nd place. And then Maxi, 3 wins. And then, yeah, Maxi's delivering talaga.
Ito yung sa akin, 5th si Zimba kasi hindi ko nakita yung confidence niya this episode at all. And that bothers me. Or parang nag-worry ako sa kanya kung paano siya mag-push throughout the rest of the season. Yeah, so nasa 5th place ko siya. Tapos 4th place si Kiana kasi same reason as you. Medyo lagi na siyang nasa bottom. And first time ko rin makita na nauga si Akla.
Uga.
So 3rd place si Tita Baby. Very consistent siya. She hasn't had a win. I think it's overdue.
Yep.
But yun nga, pero because objectively sa track record niya sa season, since wala pa siyang wins, she has to be 3rd. 2nd place ko si Angel. Umangat siya ulit from a lower ranking last episode because I really liked her performance in this episode. Number 1 ko si Maxi.
Again, bumalik. Parang bumalik siya.
Kasi I think yun yung best lip sync performance this season so far.
Saka hindi lang about reveal eh.
Oo, parang regardless of the reveals, in-embody niya yung song. I think meron ding camp element yung performance. And alam mo yung restrained siya, controlled. Alam niya mag-tell ng story through a lip sync. That's why she's my 1st place.
Yeah.
And now we can wrap up.
So guys, thank you again for supporting the channel, and again, like, subscribe, comment, and again, we'll see you again next episode.
Yep, I am Ray.
I am John, and see
Bye-bye.
you next week. Bye-bye!